Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about vehicle service myths. You know what? I jumped on the Google machine, which I'm sure a lot of people do, and I was amazed at the things I found there that related to car service that were so untrue. So I thought, hey, let's talk about this a little bit because not everything you find on the internet is obviously true. One of them was that I saw that somebody was saying, well, you should change your engine coolant every time you change the oil on your vehicle. Nothing could be further from the truth. Engine coolant lasts, especially extended life we use these years, three years to 50,000 miles it's really good for. So not a problem there. You should wait and do it at that time. Replacing the thermostat keeps the system in good working order. Oil changes. I saw people saying 2,500 miles, 3,000. These days we only use full synthetic at the West Automotive Group, so 5,000 miles is great. Keeping the vehicle inspected twice a year, you're usually good. Air filters, replace them every time you change the oil. Nothing could be further from the truth. We want to replace the air filter, inspect it, replace it when it has contaminated up to keep it in good working order. Transmission servicing, we want to do this once a year. 20,000 miles keeps you in good working order. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.